So today we got a really sick tutorial for a move that Kyrie Irving used to break the ankles of Jakar Sampson the other night. All you're going to do is start off with doing a behind the back from the right hand to the left hand. And as you're doing this, you're going to want to go into a drop split. Basically what that means is your legs are going to come apart wide and you want to lean slightly to the left as you're doing this. It's going to help sell the fake. And some key points to keep in mind to make sure you're doing this well is with your left leg, you're going to want to have it bent at about a 90-degree angle like mine is there. And then your right leg, you want to have almost completely straight. That's going to help sell that fake. Now, as soon as the basketball gets into the left hand, you're going to want to push it right back to the right hand behind the back. But a key point is that you want to push it a little bit more straight down, not completely to the right. And you want to put quite a bit of force behind the basketball so it bounces fairly high. That's going to set up what you're going to do next. And what that is you're going to let the ball kind of float here without touching the basketball right away, which is going to kind of break a rule that I normally recommend where you always have your hand on the ball as much as possible. So you're going to let it float there for a brief second. And as it's coming to that side, you're going to kind of move your legs in a 1-2 shuffle, left foot and right foot to the right side as the ball is also moving to the right side. Now, notice I'm also looking down at the basketball, again breaking a rule, but that's something Kyrie did that also kind of helped set up the next move, his Kyrie Irving crossover, which you'll see a tutorial for at the end. I'll have a link for that. Now you're going to push the basketball out to the right side and sort of forward at a 45-degree angle, plant hard on that right foot, and then again sell that fake by leaning your torso in that direction as well. From there, all you're going to do is push hard off that right foot once again in the other direction and cross over and blow by your defender. And if you did everything right, you should be breaking your defender's ankles or at least sending them flying in the wrong direction. So a little bit more full speed, here's what it's going to look like from a couple different angles. Notice I'm floating the ball out, pushing it hard in that direction, and then going hard to the rim in the opposite direction.